Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Melisa, software developer and software engineering student at DLU. Today my goal is to show you the last academic project at DLU. It was a backend of DEDSEC. DEDSEC is a collective intelligence system. It was designed to manage a collective votes and ideas. Basically, this RESTful API was designed using C# with .NET 9. Um, we also using a Scrum methodology over 4 sprints with three other colleagues. There are Agustin Mounier, Alejandra Valenzuela, and Manuel Rodriguez. And my goal for today is to show you how we made a decision about architecture, quality assurance, and data migration to build a truly scalable system. So let's start it.
Well, to manage the technical complexity, we work under a strict Scrum framework. This means that we have every week our daily meetings and other Scrum ceremonies, and each ticket have to meet with our definition of ready and definition of done uh, before marked as completed. Well, a level code, as you can see, we implemented a clean architecture. This means the separation of concept. We have different layers: application, domain, infrastructure. And this decision was really important for us because in the phase three of this project, we we needed to change the database. So this clean architecture was the technical decision that guaranteed the success of the subsequent phase. As you can see in our code, other important and crucial thing was implemented the integration testing because a solid architecture need a reliable testing. We went behind basic unit tests and built a comprehensive suite of integration tests to see how the system behaved as a whole. Well, the last and the biggest challenge for this project was migrating our relational database MySQL into MongoDB. For this important challenge, we use a extract, transform, load pipeline. But the most important thing was implementing a clean architecture in the first step of our API because the clean architecture did the magic. We only had to create a new infrastructure library for Mongo. Using dependency injection, we simply unplugged the SQL repository and plugged the new Mongo ones. Zero change in the controllers, zero change in the business logic, at seamless and security migration. Okay, finally I'm gonna show you the result for this CIS API. As you can see, we documented our API in Swagger, use Swagger. As you can see, we have the different endpoints. Each endpoint was documented, and this API is a great example of how I apply software engineering best practice to build a solid, scalable, and quality-driven product. So, if you are looking for a full stack or backend developer who combines clean code with a strong teamwork, I invite you to check out my LinkedIn profile to explore more projects in my portfolio. Thank you for listening.